sensors up, put the air box back in, and be ready to fire this thing up. So here we go. Shannon, I'm going to put these two wires, the ones that were hanging down from underneath. See, we marked it. Very good. We're going to hook that all back up. We're going to do the same on the other side, and then we'll put the air box in. We'll be right back here with you. Button it up. Shannon's got the air box in his hand. We're getting ready to put that in. And when you go back in, just so you don't fumble and scratch up the rear bumper cover, because we've gone too far to tear it up now, we're going to set this in place as much as we can. There's not much clearance. But we're going to push there as long as we can. Try to pop it on. We're going to remove our rag that covered the air intake boot. Got to put it back at a 90-degree angle. See how this tries to hit it up here? That's why you want to try to put something on there to give it a little protection. It always helps to have somebody with a flashlight helping you. Once he popped it in, he's setting it down in place. He's going to put the mount on it. I'm going to move this rag out of the way, or it's not a rag, it's actually a nice towel, but out of the way, so he can get the one mounting bolt in. I, on the other hand, am going to reroute the mass airflow sensor plug back up in place. Sue's going to watch me plug it right in, right there. Got to hear that click. I'm sure you heard it, because it was there. Then you've got your little sandwich clamp down here to keep your wires where they're supposed to be. Awesome little tools. Tightening down the 13. Air box is totally in place. Okay, the last step on the air box is the retaining clamp. It's on the front side of the mass airflow sensor, or the air intake side. It's very simple. Just tighten that down, and that's it. Look at this. Rip my glove and everything. All right, I don't need them anymore anyway. We're finished with this little project. I'm going to hit the key, see if it'll run, and let it warm up for a second. Then I'll give it a little bit of gas and give you a general idea of what to expect it to sound like. Project. Hope you like us on Facebook. What's the other stuff I'm supposed to say?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
There it is. Did you get that from Shen? Like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know any comments you have.
More videos to come.
More videos to come. This is number 1, 2, 3, and 4, or something like that. Talk to you soon.